we are doing this kind of big motors or generators. And actually in Lappeenranta we have also one more facilities, and they are doing smaller motors there.
So when people ask me what's special about this site, I got two things to be proud of. The first thing is this factory floor, look at that, it's highly automated. And it's using leading technology to improve the productivity of the factory. And B, what I'm proud is that we have very energetic and diverse people here. The site is very young, so we just started ramp up the localization from middle of last year and make it happen in 9 months. So talking about people in this team, we're looking for the people with diversified background, people from electric background, people from the process background, people from the supply chain background. So it's a normal mix of the people in a factory, but there is a few characters that we are looking for. So A, we're looking for a self-starter who will be engaged and motivated to make things better. And B, we're looking for a team maker because we are a young team and we want to move it forward hand in hand with each other. So gotta be a team player. And C, we're looking for people with a spirit of continuous improvement.
I think that it's really easy for customers that they will get everything from our factory. Motors, inverters and software, so full packet I think. I like to work in Danfoss really much. Team spirit is really unbelievable here, and well, actually with these machines maybe we will save world also.